Welcome to my channel. So here we are with the next video of rational numbers. In previous class we have studied introduction of properties, like we have explained in that video about the properties. Now we have applications regarding those properties. So let's start with the let's try 2. So the first question of let's try to name the property of the multiplication of rational numbers illustrated by the following. So here they are asking us to provide the property name. So here they have given question minus 11 by 12 into minus 17 by 5, which is equal to minus 17 by 5 into minus 11 by 12. So here see this property, that is like A into B is equal to B into A. So this property comes under the commutative property under multiplication operation. Okay. Now see the second question. Minus 2 by 5 into 7 by 8 into 2 by 9, which is equal to minus 2 by 5 into 7 by 8 into 7 by 9. So it is like this is A by B and this is C by D and this is like E by F. So if you observe this, this is the property of associative property. So here minus 2 by 5 is associating with each and every part of this 7 by 8 into 7 by 9. So that is the associative property under multiplication. Now see the second question. Solve using a suitable property. Also name the property used. 2 by 9 plus of minus 1 by 7 plus 4 by 9 plus of minus 2 by 7. So here they have asked us to solve. So here after taking LCM we have got 63. So 2 14s is 63. Okay. Now here 7 9s are 63. 9 1s are minus 9. Here we have minus, so I have taken the same minus here. Now again, here 9 4s are 63, right? 9 8s are 63, 8 4s are 28. Now same here, like that only we shall do that. Now 7 9s are 63, 9 2s are 80. You all know how to do the LCM, so I am not going into the deep of that LCM. So 14 minus 9 plus 28 minus 18, which gives 42 minus 27. So after solving we have got it like 15 by 63. After cancellation 5 by 21. With the 3 table we will do the cancellation and we have found it as 5 by 21. So here the property which we have applied here is the associative property. Now see the second question, means the second bit, B bit. 1 by 3 into 3 plus 11 by 3. Here you can do however you want. It is a distributive property over addition. Okay, that is the distributive property over addition here. Now if you want to take these 1 by 3 into 3, you can do. Or else if you want to take like 1 by 3 into, means like whole bracket of 3 plus 11 by 13. That way also you can do. Either the ways you can follow. Here how I followed is like 1 by 3 into this thing goes into the bracket. And I have taken LCM for this. 1 and 13 gives 13. 1 13s are 13, 13 3s are 39. Plus 11 as it is. 13 1s is 13. 1 11s are 11. Okay. Now after solvation 39 plus 11 gives 50. Here same as it is multiplied. 50 by 13 3s are 39. Here the property applied is distributive over addition. So now let's see the third question. Verify the property A plus B is equals to B plus A when A is equals to minus 5 by 6 and B is equals to 2 by 9. Name the property. Also check if A minus B is equals to B minus A or not for the same numbers. Now here A minus B is equals to B plus A. Which property is that? That is commutative property over addition. We have the addition symbol over here. That's why it is a commutative property over addition. Now what did they give here in A value? Minus 5 by 6. And B value is 2 by 9. They have given us these values. Now we have to substitute these values in the commutative property. So minus 5 by 6 plus 2 by 9 is equals to 2 by 9 plus of minus 5 by 6. We have substituted same like this commutative property rule. Okay. Now after taking LCM of 6 and 9, we have got 18 here. And 6 3s are 18, 3 5s are 15, minus 15. Okay. Now 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Minus 15 plus 4 is minus 11 by 18. Now see this RHS side. 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. 6 3s are 18, 3 5s are 15. So 4 minus 15 is minus 11 by 8. We have a bigger number with a minus symbol. So we are taking the same here. Minus 11 by 8. So here the closure commutative property is applicable for this problem. So yes, it is applicable. So they have asked us to verify. So that is applicable here. Now check with this. A minus B is equals to B minus A. Minus 5 by 6 minus 2 by 9 is equals to minus 2 by 9 minus of minus 5 by 6. Here same like that we have taken LCM here. Minus 15 minus 4 by 18 is equals to here minus 4 plus 15. Here minus into minus is plus. Okay. Now here after solving I have got 11 by 8. 11 by 18. So here the both LHS and RHS are not equal to, so I have got not applicable. Okay, now see the fourth question. Show the rational numbers are closed under addition and subtraction by taking the numbers 1 by 7 and minus 2 by 3. So here what they have given us, A is 1 by 7 and B is minus 2 by 7. So they have also referred us that closed under addition. So A plus B is equals to rational number. And A minus B is also a rational number. We know that. So 1 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is equals to, after taking the LCM, we got minus 1 by 7 here, which is a rational number. So here A minus B, for A minus B also we will check here 1 by 7 minus of minus 2 by 7, which gives 3 by 7. So here closed under addition. So we have showed that the rational numbers are closed under addition. Okay. Now see the next question. Next question, fifth one. Can rational numbers be multiplied in any order? Which property can be used to explain the answer? So, yes, commutative property. That is the commutative property. Now, sixth question. Are rational numbers closed under division? Give one example in support of your answer. Use both positive and negative rational numbers for your examples. No, rational numbers are not closed under division. For example, if we take 5 divided by 0, then we get a non-defined value, right? So let us head to the next. Let's try 3 now. So in the previous video we have completed the let's try 3's explanation regarding this additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. We have completed that explanation in the previous video. If you want to get the explanation, if you want the explanation, then please check the previous video. So now let's try 3. First question. Write the additive inverse of the following. So here A bit 1 by 3 is equals to additive inverse of 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. The next bit, additive inverse of 4 by 5 is minus 4 by 5. Additive inverse of minus 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. Here, if the question is having minus, then the additive inverse will be plus. If it is like plus, the answer would be in minus. So here the mixed fraction 6 1 by 4. The next bit, 6 4 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So 25 by 4. For the 25 by 4, we have to find the additive inverse. So the additive inverse of that is minus 25 by 4. So the next bit, 1 4 by 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 4. So here mixed fraction 1 4 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. And for the additive inverse for 9 by 5 is minus 9 by 5. And see the second question here. Solve the following. Here they have given us to solve. We have to find whether those are in additive inverse or multiplicative inverse. 8 by 9 plus 0. What does that give? 8 by 9. Minus 11 by 12 into 1. What does that give? Minus 11 by 12. 1 by 7 plus or minus 1 by 7. Here plus or minus gives minus only. So a positive rational number and a negative rational number gives 0. Minus 11 by 16 plus 0. Anything with 0 gives the same result. So minus 11 by 16. Now see the third question. A number has been added to x and the result becomes x. Which number has been added? Now let us take x here. We have added 0 for the x and the result is also a 0. So then 0 is added to x. That is the solution. Now see the fourth bit. Identify the rational number that is different from the others. Give reasons for your answer. Now see the A bit 2 by 3, B bit minus 1 by 8, C bit 4 by 9, D bit 11 by 15. So in this you have to find which is the negative rational number, which is different. So here all the other rational numbers are positive except B bit minus 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is the negative rational number. So it is minus 1 by 8 is different because that is negative rational number. Now see the fifth question. What should be multiplied by 2 by 7 to get 1 as the answer? Here for 2 by 7 we have to add the reciprocal of it, 7 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled and 7 ones are 7 gets cancelled. The 1 is the remaining. So we have got 1 here. So hence required number is 7 by 2. Now see the sixth question. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 minus 7 by 9? Minus 3 7 by 9. Here we have converted this mixed fraction into the proper fraction. So minus 34 by 9. The multiplicative inverse of this is minus 9 by 34. Now let us see the seventh question. Now see the seventh question. Product of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 4. If one of them is 2 by 7, find the other. They have given us the one of the rational number, that is 2 by 7. They are asking us to find the other one. So seventh question, let the other number be x. We have taken the other number as x. Now 2 by 7, they have given us the 2 by 7 and the other number is, we have assumed it as x, is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now we have taken the x here and the other rational numbers this side. When we have taken this number 2 by 7 to the LHS, from LHS side to the RHS side, then that would become a division number, division rational number. That goes into the division. Now to get the division into the multiplication, we do that in a reciprocal form. Okay. So now 2 by 7 has become 7 by 2 when after taking into the multiplication part. Okay. Now minus 3 by 4 into 7 by 2 minus 21 by 8. Hence the other number is minus 21 by 8. Now see the next question. Eighth question is, you have to fill the answers according to the blanks over there. Minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 2 into 9 by 10. So you have to solve it and you will get one rational number. Okay. Now see the ninth question. Name the property used to solve the following. 9 by 10 into 1 is equals to 9 by 10. That is the multiplicative identity. Here into 1 is the multiplicative identity. Now next question. 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus 1 by 7, which is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 7. This clearly explains that it is distributive over subtraction. Here we have the subtraction. So distributive over subtraction. Now see the second C bit. 0 plus 5 by 6 is equals to 5 by 6. That is additive identity. Now the D bit is, find yourself. You have to do on your own. Now E bit, C into 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 into 6. That is A into B is equals to B into A. That is commutative over multiplication. Now the 10th and 11th questions, you do it on your own. Okay. Now if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and also subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay. Now that boosts me to make more videos on this. Thank you.